Kenya Film Classification Board.
Bondi ya kuramata wagiriru wa thenema guku bururi-ini ni yambatiritie mihango ya kuhitana no haguku wa mitugo makiria kuri mbeu njithi thutha wa kuiyukia urugamiriri wa macindano ma mathako ma ngerekano ma mathukuru kwambiriria mwaka ukite.
Because we all know that art is a mirror of society, and while we mirror society with a view to also recommending change where we have done very badly. We look at ourselves in the mirror of the art and we see where our faces are not very clean. And through comedy, through drama, we are able to say we need to clean ourselves here.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa bondi yo Ndagitari Ezekiel Mutua, urugamiriri wa mathako macio ni ukuhotithia bondi yo gukinyira gicunje kinene kia mbeu njithi na ho kuhuthira ndumiriri cia mathako macio na marebeta gukinyia ndumiriri kuri muingi wa bururi.
So the sense of our collaboration, the Kenya National Drama and Film Festival, is to ensure that we re-engineer the discourse on national values through a very friendly and enjoyable way, where it is not just about a big stick.
Akiaria mwena wa Embu hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano kĩa arutani a mathako ma ngerekano, Mutua ugĩte harũĩre rathiĩ na mbere ya ungumania ndĩngĩkinyanĩra angĩkorwo mũingĩ ndũgũcenjia mitugo na muonere wa maũndũ.
Regulation and rating and classifying films and managing the stage plays and so on. There's need to work with other agencies, and we are very grateful that we have the Ministry of Education, we have the National Drama Festival Secretariat, and other agencies, including sponsors who are working in different sectors, also who are committed to the national development, to say let's work together to bring these values.
Miario ya Mutua yukitio riria nyitite miruhoge-ini rwa githomo marakuruhanio haguku wa mitugo kuri mbeu njithi na kuongerereka kwa airĩtu aria marohanda matarikitie kirathi gia kanana kana kia form 4 kuria riu moritie thirikari ihinge nenda cio kinyanĩria iria cionanagia mbica cia urathoni. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.